everyone, it's time for a Jeep Momma quick tip. Today we're going to talk about taking care of your winch. First of all, if you have a synthetic line, it's a very good idea to have a winch cover that protects your synthetic line from the UV rays. So the second thing is your winch line. Notice how it's just not lined up very well, and this is because I used it. So once you get done using your winch for recovery or whatever you may be using it for, when you get back home, you should always pull the whole line out and re-winch in the cable. So the first thing I'm going to do is put it to free spool, and then I will take the winch line pull it out. You just pull out the winch line where it's stacked unevenly. When you get to the point where it starts stacking evenly, you can stop. Then you want to hook the winch line up to something heavier than your Jeep, and you will winch your line back into your spool, and you want to make sure it's stacking evenly. Some good winch maintenance tips. Keeping the winch line stacked evenly on the drum. Having a tangled line on the drum and you keep using it over and over again has the potential to break your winch. Now some tips for winch use. Using a snatch block is a good idea. It may be slower, but it's going to cut the load in half and can prolong the life of your winch motor. Number 2, short pulls when winching, like 30-second pulls, and then give the motor some time to cool down. Don't stand in the line of the winching. When you winch, make sure someone's in the driver's seat to hold the brakes.